Hello.
I have just a very simple question.
Okay, go for it.
I'm working on the Awakening collection from the 3D. Anyhow, I want to make a queen size quilt, and you have options, number one, 94 by 96, and then it gives you 4 blocks, 12 is that for the complete quilt, or is that for adding to the quilt that you have a pattern for?
Let me pull it up so that I can remember exactly where we were going with that.
I just thought about that today, and so I thought, well, I'll just ask you a quick question.
Now where in the world did I put it? That is burning question right now.
You've got so many things going on. I feel bad for you.
You would like to think, given that we did this a while ago, we would be somewhat organized about it. Let me see. I have a feeling, I don't know why the images aren't in the folder. Never mind. We'll figure it out. Hang tight just a second.
That's okay.
That's not what I wanted.
My sheets that I have in front of me does not have a page number on it. So, so I can't help you on that. It's just where you gave the 2 different sizes, the queen size, and I think you had another size, but I took the queen.
I think there were 2 different options.
Yes, there were.
Okay, here we go. The queen size quilt options. Okay, that's why I couldn't find it in the document, because we've only put it in the portal. So let's preview that, move it to a different window, and I will share my screen so that you can see we're both looking at the same thing. Okay.
That's the one.
This is the one?
Yes. Now see here, you've got the 4 blocks, the 12 and all this on down. Now, is that adding to the original pattern, or is that?
No, this is starting from scratch. So let's see. So starting on the left, we've got a column of 4-inch blocks.
Okay.
And then there's a column of 12-inch blocks.
Okay. I understand now.
Another column of 4-inch, a column of 8-inch, 4-inch, 6-inch, 12-inch, 6-inch, 4-inch, 8-inch, 4-inch, 12-inch, 4-inch.
Okay.
So that's using the small hearts on the 8-inch wide and the big hearts on the 12-inch wide. Right. And then the other one is using also 8-inch and small small hearts and big hearts.
Okay. So if I wanted to make it a little wider, then I go from the bottom up, you know, to where it starts over again.
Wider this way?
Wider or longer. But what I'm saying is that is what you have for finish. And if I want to go a little bigger, then I just add another, you know, how many, 1, 2, 3, you know, lines.
Well, to make it wider, you're going to add more columns.
Yeah. And then I would also add more depth. In other words, you see how many columns this has for the size that you have.
Right.
And so if I wanted to add another column, like I could add a 4-inch column, or not a 4-inch, but a whatever I wanted to.
Yeah.
Yes. This is the pattern that will make this 93 by 96. And that's what I wanted to know. Okay.
Yes. Or 94 by 96, or up there 93 by 96 is this variation.
Is this variation. So I can then go from that variation and either make it longer or wider by.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all I
So
wanted.
longer, you're going to be adding more blocks onto the
Right,
end of each column,
right,
and wider, you'll add more columns onto it.
right, right, right. That's all
Okay?
I want. That's all I wanted to know. I didn't know if that was adding to your original or what, but anyhow,
No,
you
this
answered
this
my
this
question
was
and
kind
that's
of
good.
starting from scratch, but
Yes,
using the different widths of the columns, and we had if you email Rare and ask her which Zoom call we played with this, we actually did it live on a Zoom call.
I probably watched it, but I can go back. I can ask her which number it was.
Yeah, ask her what the date was, and
Yes.
she'll be able to point you to the video specifically for it.
So she'll be there while you're gone.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, she will.
Well, my thoughts are with you and have a very good trip.
Thank you.